Right, buddy? Do you think we should put some new wheels on the car? Well, I had something bad happen on the 6th. I've barely been driving it. Decided to take it to work, downtown LA, and obviously the roads aren't the greatest. And it fucked up one of my wheels. So went and got another set of wheels. Gonna toss them on, see if they fit, see what they look like, and then see what else we get into today. But now I'm just gonna try and focus on the wheels, get the car back on the road. I do have other goodies for that car that I could install if I want. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little juggle with one of the cars, and then go ahead and bring the 6 into the driveway, and then we should be good. All right. Alright, got her in the driveway. Crazy. Alright, well, we're gonna pull that off, take a look at it right now. See what's going on. That wheel's toast. I figured I'd video this part because it's gonna be the wheel coming off. We're gonna see how bad it looks. But yeah, the tire already came off all the way. Yeah, that's crazy looking. So cracked all the way around. Must have took out a chunk right there. Just went. Yeah, these struts are so bad. I gotta change these out. Looks like it might have got damaged a little more, even. Maybe that's what happened before. That's why they put these crappy wheels on here. Other than that, though, I don't see any other damage. Brakes got a little oven, but the rotors look fine. Everything else looks fine. All right. Oh, here we go. Now the fun part, getting the new wheels on. Might have to swap out the suspension. I have a plan for that though, but yeah, we'll see. I just don't know how much I want to do today, so we'll see. So I just realized you can see right here on the tire, there's a big gouge like right into the side of it, which is obviously what broke it. Crazy. All right, well. Got them on. They actually look pretty dope. Not gonna lie. It's not bad. This, fitment's still off on them, but that's what you get for now. I'm not gonna put a bigger spacer on there. Already got the big ass ones on the back, so. But I'm gonna go ahead and swap over those wheels onto the rears. That one has a flat, so I gotta figure out a tire situation. I might be able to just pull the tire off the other wheel, put it onto that, and then be good to go. So yeah. There we go. Let's see what happens. All right, there we go. Fitment's actually not too horrible for what it could be. Considering that I just went and bought these from some random guy online.
Yo, what's up? Today I am going to be doing a fire extinguisher bracket in my E30 M3. I'll show you guys what I got. This is it right here. It's a fire extinguisher bracket from Garagistic. What I'm gonna do is paint it black real quick, and then we'll throw it in the M3 and see how it looks. So yeah, should be pretty easy install. Looks like it just goes in under the front seat, put on the passenger side, and just have a fire extinguisher basically set up in the car. Just in case, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. All right, sweet. Start painting this bad boy and then throw it in. Alright, so got the bracket painted. As you can tell, it's all black. Next up is our fire extinguisher. So I got this guy right here. What I noticed is that the bracket doesn't really line up with the holes that came with this. So what I did is I made a mark right here. I'll just have to drill that out real quick, and then I have to find some hardware that'll work with this, and then we should be able to put it in the car. Alright, so I got it mounted up to the bracket. Just use a couple 10 millimeters. Fits perfectly. We'll see. Hopefully there's enough room on the bottom. It's the only thing I'm worried about. These obviously don't go down that far, but hopefully there's enough room under the seat to where I won't get any binding or anything. Go throw it in the car, see how we do. The next hardware is just literally the one's off the bottom of the seat. So this should just be a flush mount right off of that. Alright, so down on the bottom of the seat, just pushed it all the way back. We got a 17 millimeter here, and then a 17 millimeter right there as well. And then it should mount right up to those. I got it mounted. The only issue I ran into was the studs aren't long enough for you to have the washers on there. You can only have the nuts on, which is fine. I mean, this bracket will go in between the nut, the stud, and the base of the seat. It's actually really sturdy and fits perfectly. Like, it is great. What's also cool is that sitting passenger, you don't even see it when you are just sitting here in the seat. Have to lean over and you'll notice that there's a fire extinguisher. There's plenty of room for your feet. So, cool. That's right, Max? Right, buddy?